Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm here in Budapest, Hungary, and I'm on the train now, the tram now going home. And so let me just show you some different things. So that's the tram I came in on over there, and this is the newer updated tram, which is really nice, but it looks about the exact same. I mean, it has the same kind of seats and everything else, but everything's modern. The buttons are different, the little ticket punch thing is different, the handles are different, the stop buttons are different. Yeah, this is a much moderner car than the other one, and so some of them are old and look like they need to be updated, and others are new and modern, and so just make sure you you don't get to pick really, you just get the one that you get. And so I guess I just didn't want to show that all trams were skanky and old. So some trams are new and modern. Anyway, that's it. I'm heading home. It's been a day. Have a good one, everybody. Bye-bye.